Are you tired of stubborn belly fat that just won't go away, no matter what you try? What if I told you that drinking just one glass of a simple, natural drink every morning for 10 days could help flatten your belly, improve digestion, and even reduce those pesky sugar cravings? And the best part is that it's made with ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. Seniors, this isn't a gimmick. It's backed by real science. It's time to start your mornings the smart way. But before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from. Got questions? I'm here to help. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health tip. 1. Warm water. Let's start with the foundation. Warm water. It might sound too simple to make a difference, but don't underestimate it. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Your metabolism slows, and your digestion needs a gentle wake-up. Drinking a glass of warm, not hot, water first thing in the morning reactivates your digestive system. It jumpstarts peristalsis, those muscle contractions that move food through your gut. For seniors, this means reduced bloating, regular bowel movements, and better nutrient absorption. Warm water also hydrates your body before that first cup of coffee, giving your organs a fresh start. Think of it as setting your internal thermostat for a more efficient metabolism. If you're a senior looking to flatten your belly in just 10 days, the journey begins with something incredibly simple: a glass of warm water each morning. It might not seem like much, but this one small step can have a big impact on your digestion and metabolism. After a night of sleep, your body is in a state of mild dehydration. Your cells are sluggish, and your digestive system is idle. Drinking warm water first thing in the morning helps rehydrate your body, gently wakes up your digestive tract, and activates peristalsis, the movement that pushes food and waste through your system. This promotes regular bowel movements, reduces bloating, and helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. For seniors, whose digestion naturally slows with age, this is especially beneficial. Warm water also boosts circulation and sets your metabolism into motion, preparing your body to burn fat more effectively throughout the day. It's a simple yet powerful way to reset your system and kick off your belly-flattening routine. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerful, natural remedy that can play a key role in reducing belly fat and improving overall digestion, especially for seniors. 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered ACV each morning delivers a compound called acetic acid, which has been shown to boost metabolism, enhance fat burning, and improve insulin sensitivity. This is crucial as we age, since our bodies often become less responsive to insulin, making it easier to store fat. Particularly around the midsection, ACV helps regulate blood sugar levels after meals, reducing spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and weight gain. Additionally, it aids digestion by increasing stomach acid, which tends to decline with age. This helps break down food more effectively, reduces bloating, and enhances nutrient absorption. Another great benefit? ACV naturally curbs appetite, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. Just be sure to use raw organic ACV with the mother, which contains beneficial enzymes and probiotics. A single tablespoon in your morning drink is all you need to support fat loss, digestion, and blood sugar stability. 3. Lemon juice. Adding fresh lemon juice to your morning drink is a simple yet powerful way to support your belly-flattening goals, especially for seniors. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, reduces inflammation, and supports collagen production for healthier skin and joints. But the real magic lies in how lemon juice aids digestion and fat metabolism. It stimulates the liver to produce bile, a natural digestive fluid essential for breaking down fats. This means your body becomes more efficient at processing meals and less likely to store excess fat around the belly. Lemon juice also acts as a gentle diuretic, helping to flush out excess water and reduce bloating, leaving you feeling lighter and less puffy. For seniors who may struggle with sluggish digestion or occasional constipation, lemon juice offers a natural and refreshing solution. Just squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into your warm morning drink to enjoy its detoxifying and metabolism-boosting benefits. It's a small step with a big impact, giving your body the fresh start it needs each day. 4. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful root that brings both warmth and wellness to your morning drink, especially if you're looking to flatten your belly and improve digestion. Known for centuries as a natural remedy, ginger supports the body in multiple ways. It boosts thermogenesis, the process where your body generates heat and burns calories, helping increase fat burning even when you're at rest. This makes it an excellent metabolism booster, especially important for seniors whose calorie burning naturally slows with age. But ginger doesn't stop there. It also soothes the digestive system, reducing bloating, gas, and discomfort after meals. Its anti-inflammatory properties are especially helpful for seniors dealing with joint pain, arthritis, or general inflammation. Just a small amount, about 104 teaspoons of powdered ginger or a slice of fresh grated ginger, can calm your stomach, enhance circulation, and support smoother digestion. When combined with lemon and apple cider vinegar, ginger adds a warming, spicy kick that helps your body feel more energized and balanced. It's a small but mighty ingredient that supports your gut, boosts metabolism, and helps you feel your best each day. 5. Cinnamon. Finally, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. This isn't just for flavor, it's a powerhouse for blood sugar balance and metabolism. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body use sugar for energy instead of storing it as fat. Stable blood sugar means fewer energy crashes, reduced cravings, and better control over your appetite. Cinnamon is also loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, great for heart health, joint pain, and protecting brain function as you age. Just a pinch can help you feel more energized and satisfied throughout the day. Cinnamon isn't just a sweet spice for your morning oatmeal, it's a powerful ally in your belly fat fighting routine, especially for seniors. Just 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon added to your morning drink can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce sugar cravings, and support healthy metabolism. As we age, our bodies often become less sensitive to insulin, the hormone that helps cells absorb glucose for energy. This can lead to higher blood sugar levels and increased fat storage, particularly around the midsection. Cinnamon helps improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use sugar more efficiently instead of storing it as fat. It also helps prevent energy crashes and sudden hunger pangs by keeping blood sugar levels steady, making it easier to avoid snacking on sweets and processed foods. Beyond metabolism, cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which are beneficial for heart health, joint function, and overall aging. With its warm, comforting flavor and 0 calorie, cinnamon makes your morning drink not only more delicious, but also more effective. It's a small spice with big health benefits, helping you take control of your appetite, energy, and long-term wellness. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next health tip.